Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that keeps car owners up at night? Concerns about vehicle safety post-repair. At Arts, we know your safety is paramount, and we ensure every repair meets the highest safety standards. Let me share a story about Aisha, a single mom who came to us recently. Her 2017 Ford Fusion had a side panel dent from a parking lot incident. Aisha was cautious, wanting to ensure her car would be safe for her kids after the repair. We walked her through our process, using OEM parts and conducting rigorous safety tests. Our team restored her Fusion to top condition, and Aisha said, "Art's safety focus made me feel secure. My car's perfect." Our approach is uncompromising. We use quality parts, follow manufacturer guidelines, and perform detailed safety inspections. From small scratches to collision repairs, our Pomona shop guarantees your car is safe to drive. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we deliver repairs that prioritize your well-being. Ready for a shop that ensures safety? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't compromise on safety. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Safe repairs every time.